What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Dell laptops that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Dell Inspiron 16 series encompasses a diverse range of laptops, each tailored to specific user requirements. The Dell Inspiron 16 Plus, a key offering in this series, stands out as a reasonably priced 16-inch laptop designed for productivity tasks. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA graphics, and a 16:10 aspect ratio display, this model is well suited for content creation and moderate gaming. The laptop's versatility extends to handling various workflows competently, making it an appealing choice for both general users and creative professionals. Additionally, its relatively portable design adds to its appeal as an on-the-go computing solution. For those seeking a convertible option, the Dell Inspiron 16 2-in-1 offers a unique proposition with its 16-inch, 16:10 display. This versatile laptop can be used in different modes, providing a spacious workspace in laptop mode. With features such as an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, and a 512GB SSD, it caters to mainstream users at home or work. Furthermore, the Dell Inspiron 16 series includes models featuring 13th Gen Intel Core processors, exemplified by the Dell Inspiron 16 laptop. Boasting a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and a 16-inch FHD Plus display, these laptops strike a balance between performance and portability for everyday use. In essence, the Dell Inspiron 16 series provides a comprehensive array of options to meet the diverse needs of users, ranging from productivity and content creation to moderate gaming, all packaged within a sleek and portable design. The Dell XPS 13 series presents a versatile lineup of laptops tailored to diverse user needs, emphasizing qualities such as portability, efficiency, power, and performance. The series includes two notable models, the Dell XPS 13 and the Dell XPS 13 Plus, each addressing specific user preferences. The Dell XPS 13, a traditional clamshell laptop with a U-series processor, prioritizes portability and battery life. It features a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 1230U processor, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and a 13.4-inch FHD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. Boasting 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of PCIe SSD storage, this model strikes a balance between performance and portability for everyday productivity tasks. In contrast, the XPS 13 Plus, a P-series OLED machine, prioritizes power with a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 1360p processor, 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512GB of M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD storage. Featuring a 13.4-inch FHD Plus touchscreen display and Intel Iris Xe graphics, it excels in content creation and moderate gaming, offering a well-balanced laptop capable of handling various workflows competently. Both models share common features, including a sleek design, high-quality displays, comfortable keyboards, and Intel Iris Xe graphics for a satisfying visual experience. Additionally, they incorporate Wi-Fi 6E connectivity and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless interactions. In summary, the Dell XPS 13 series provides users with a spectrum of options, accommodating different preferences, from everyday productivity to content creation and moderate gaming, all within a sleek and portable design. These laptops deliver a range of specifications and features, making them versatile and suitable for a wide array of tasks and activities. The Dell Alienware X16R1 stands at the pinnacle of gaming laptops, engineered to deliver exceptional gaming experiences and productivity. Offering versatile configurations, it caters to diverse user needs, spanning powerful gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Under the hood, the Alienware X16R1 features a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H or Intel Core i9-13900HK processor, ensuring high-speed performance for gaming and multitasking. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 or RTX 4080 graphics, with dedicated memory, provides exceptional graphics performance for gaming and content creation on its 16-inch QHD+ display with a 240Hz refresh rate. Memory options of 16GB or 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM and configurations with a 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD ensure smooth multitasking and ample storage. Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6 EAX1675 provides seamless wireless connectivity. The laptop's sleek and durable build, along with customizable Alien FX lighting zones, offers a visually appealing and immersive gaming experience. The comfortable Alienware Cherry keyboard, featuring per-key RGB LED Alien FX lighting, enhances both gaming and typing experiences. Advanced technologies, including the Alienware Command Center and Game Library with auto-tune game profile functionality, optimize gaming performance. In summary, the Alienware X16R1 delivers high-end gaming performance, premium features, and a design that appeals to gaming enthusiasts and professionals. Comparative assessments showcase its capabilities in gaming and productivity tasks, making it an exceptional choice for users seeking top-tier performance in a portable form factor. The Dell Latitude 9440 series stands as a versatile line of 2-in-1 laptops meticulously crafted for business and professional use, striking a harmonious balance between performance, portability, and innovative features. Driven by robust hardware specifications, including 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U or i7-1365U vPro processors, the Latitude 9440 2-in-1 ensures high-speed performance for business tasks and multitasking. Intel Iris Xe graphics contribute to efficient graphics performance, meeting the demands of business applications and content creation. The laptop's 14-inch QHD+ touchscreen display, with a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivers a high-resolution and immersive viewing experience. Memory options of 16GB or 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM and configurations offering 256GB or 1TB of M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD storage enable smooth multitasking and provide ample storage for business data and applications. Seamless wireless connectivity for business users is facilitated by the Intel Wi-Fi 6 EAX211. The Latitude 9440 2-in-1 boasts a sleek and durable build, featuring innovative elements such as a zero-lattice keyboard, collaboration touchpad, and a visually appealing design. It offers a comfortable and efficient input experience, ideal for extended productivity and collaboration sessions. Advanced security features and business-focused functionalities further cater to the demands of professional users. Delivering solid business performance, premium features, and an appealing design, the Latitude 9440 2-in-1 is a well-regarded choice for business users and professionals. Its efficiency in business tasks and innovative design features have garnered praise, making it a compelling solution for those seeking a versatile and reliable computing device. The Dell XPS 15 series stands as a pinnacle of high-performance laptops meticulously crafted for professional and creative users, seamlessly blending power, portability, and innovative features. In terms of design and features, the XPS 15 boasts a sleek and durable build, featuring a 15.6-inch display with options for FHD+, UHD+, and OLED panels. The thin bezel design enhances the modern and immersive viewing experience, contributing to its streamlined and solid build, making it visually appealing and suitable for professional environments. Under the hood, the XPS 15 is equipped with 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, including the formidable Core i9-13900HK, supporting up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM. With Intel Iris Xe graphics and NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs, it delivers exceptional graphics performance for content creation and gaming. Storage options range up to 4TB PCIe NVMe SSDs, ensuring ample space for professional applications and media. Praised for its outstanding performance, excellent keyboard, and high-quality displays, the XPS 15 excels in professional and creative tasks. It offers a comfortable input experience, focusing on productivity and creative performance, suitable for a wide range of professional workflows. Despite its premium pricing, the XPS 15 has been lauded as a top-tier laptop, providing a compelling solution for users seeking a powerful, versatile, and reliable computing device. In summary, the Dell XPS 15 series is a standout choice for professional and creative users seeking a high-performance laptop with innovative design elements and a user-friendly experience.